Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7. Today we will discuss the new exercise 5.2 algebraic expression. Already we solved exercise 5.1 and today I am going to discuss exercise 5.2. And I am Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics, Milestone School and College. So let's start today. Exercise 5.2. Number. In this chapter, we need two formula to solve all the maths. So the first formula is formula number 3. A plus b multiplied by a minus b equals to a square minus b square, and the next formula will be x plus a multiplied by x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus a b, and this is the general formula, and we will solve all the maths by using this type of general formula. By comparing with this general formula, we will solve and find the factors. So exercise 5.2, first math will be 4x plus 3 comma 4x minus 3. For solving this math, at first we have to write 4x plus 3 multiplied by 4x minus 3. You can see these two expression, only plus and minus will be the difference, and 4x and 4x and 3 and 3 are the same between these two expression. If we think 4x equals to a and 3 equals to b, then we get a plus b into a minus b. That is formula number 3. We can compare with that formula. So we can write from 4x plus 3 to 4x minus 3, that is 4x whole square minus 3 square. As the compare of the formula number 3, a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So the next math is 4 4s are 16 x square minus 3 3s are 9. Number 2, 13 minus 2p, 13 plus 2p. You can see the same type of math like a minus b into a plus b. So the formula is the same formula, a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square. In here a equals to 13, b equals to 2p. So if we write the formula like this, a square minus b square, 13 square minus 2p whole square, that is 169 minus 4p square. The next math, ab plus 3 into ab minus 3. The same thing, a plus b into a minus b. If we compare with the general formula, ab equals to a, 3 equals to b, then we can write a plus b into a minus b. So we can take the formula a square minus b square, that means ab whole square minus 3 whole square. If we a square b square minus 3 3s are 9. So the number 4, 10 minus xy, 10 plus xy. In here a minus b into a plus b, the same formula we can use. 10 square minus xy whole square, that means 100 minus x square y square. In 5, 4x square plus 3y square, 4x square minus 3y square, that means a plus b into a minus b. We can compare with the same formula number 3. So you can write a square minus b square. In here 4x square is the a, 3y square is the b. So 4x square whole square minus 3y square whole square. So 4 4s are 16, x to the power 4 minus 3 3s are 9, y to the power 4. So the next math is number 6. A minus b minus c, a plus b plus c. As we see already that the formula number 3 is related with only 2 terms, but in here you can see this is math is related with 3 terms. So at first we have to make these 3 terms to 2 terms. How can we make? We can make by this. You have to write multiply a minus b minus c, a plus b plus c. If we take the first expression common minus b, then you can write a minus b, that means b plus c into a plus b plus c. Then you can see in here a and a, the sign, the difference, and b plus c and b plus c is the same. That's why you can say a minus b, a plus b. We can, if we compare with formula number 3, we can write a square minus b plus c whole square, a square minus b square. So in b plus c whole square you can see we find the formula of a plus b whole square. So we will write down the formula: a square minus b square plus 2bc plus c square. And as you can see in the left side there is a minus. So if we write something like that, then the sign will be changed in the bracket. That means minus b square minus plus, that would be minus, minus plus, that would be minus. That means a square minus b square minus 2bc minus c square. So that is the desired answer. If we write down arrangely, then you can write a square minus b square minus c square, a square term, and after that minus 2bc. The next math will be number 7, the same type of math, but in here you can see x square minus x plus 1 multiplied by x square plus x plus 1. So we can write x square plus 1 minus x, x square plus 1 plus x. That means we make x square plus 1 one term and x is the second term. X square plus 1 is the one term plus x is the second term. So we can write like this: x square plus 1 minus x, x square plus 1 plus x. That means we will think x square plus 1 is a, x will be b, x square plus 1 will be a, x will be b. So we can write a minus b into a plus b. If we compare with the formula number 3, we can write a square a plus b into a minus b. So the formula will be a square minus b square, x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. And we can take again the formula x square plus 1 whole square, that means a plus b whole square, the general formula. So x square whole square plus 2x square into 1 plus 1 square minus x square. So in here x to the power 4, because power and power will be multiply, plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square. And if we reduce from plus 2x square minus x square, then we get x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, that is the desired. So the next math is number 8. In here you can see from 1 to 7 we already used a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. But in here you can see these two sign x minus half a, x minus 5 by 2a. In here the 2 sign is minus. So in this math we cannot use that formula number 3. We have to use the formula number 4. But how can we make the formula number 4? X plus a into x plus b. We can make something like that. You can say x plus a in the bracket is minus half a, x plus minus half 5 by 2a. Because if we write something like, if we write like this, there will be no change of the value. Like this plus minus, that would be minus, plus minus, that would be minus. That's why we, this second line and this third line, there is no difference, but we can write like this because we have to use the formula number 4. So now we find x plus a, x plus b. In here a will be minus half a, b will be minus 5 by 2a. So the formula is something like that: x plus a, x plus b, so the formula, if we multiply 1 into a, that is a by 2, 5 into a, that is 5a by 2, because numerator we can multiply, numerator we can multiply. So the formula will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. A means minus a by 2, b means minus 5a by 2. So the formula will be like this: x square plus minus a by 2 plus minus 5a by 2 into x minus a by 2 minus 5a by 2. That means x square plus a plus b into ax plus ab. That's why we can write, and we can do the LCM. LCM will be 2 minus a minus 5a plus 5a square by 4, x square plus minus a minus 5a, that will be minus 6a plus 5a square by 4, x square. If we reduce minus 6a by 2, we divide, that is 3a. X square minus 3ax plus 5a square by. Next math will be math number 10. In here also there are 3 terms. So these 3 terms we have to make 2 terms: a to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 4, because we will arrange this a to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 4, because with 3a square x square there is a plus term, and 3a square x square there is a minus sign. That's why these two term we will make the difference. So a to the power 4 plus 9x4 plus 3x square x square, and then minus. That means we can use the general formula a plus b into a minus b. So the formula will be a plus b, a square minus b square, and again we can write the formula a plus b whole square. So we can write something like this, and power will be multiplied. That's why a to the power 8 plus 18, a to the power 4, x to the power 4 plus 9 9s are 81, x to the power 8 minus 9, a to the power 4, x to the power 4. That is the desired answer, because if we reduce 18 a to the power 4 x to the power 4 minus 9 a to the power 4 x to the power 4, we get plus 9 a to the power 4 x to the power 4. So this is the desired answer, and if we write in arranged order, then we can write a to the power 8 plus 81 x to the power 8 and 9 a to the power 4 x to the power 4. Number 11. There are 3 expression: x plus 1 into x minus 1. At first we will take these 2 expression to the formula like this. If we write every expression in the multiplication form, then we can write x plus 1 into x minus 1, that is a plus b into a minus b, x square minus 1 square, that means a square minus b square, and we get x square minus 1 and the last term, expression is x square plus 1, then we can take again the formula a minus b into a plus b, it is a square minus b square from the general formula, and we can write x square whole square, because in here a will be x square, 1 will be b. So we get power and power will be multiply x to the power 4 minus 1. The next math, 9 a square b square 3a plus b 3a minus b, the same thing. We have to take the formula between these two expression first, 3a plus b 3a minus b. We can write a square minus b square, that means 3a whole square minus b square, 9a square plus b square, and we get 9a square minus b square. We can take the formula again, a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. So 9a square whole square minus b square whole square, we get 81a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So today you learned about chapter 5, exercise 5.2, all the maths. I think you understand this maths fruitfully. You have to practice all the maths several times, and number 11 and number 9 and 11 is your SW. Please do this math to your SW copy and submit it. So for that time, see you again. Assalamu alaikum. Stay home, stay safe.